South Korea has sky towers, royal tombs, and a motorway rebuilt as a stream. 10. 7th century Gyeongseonggi in Gyeongju is one of East Asia's oldest surviving astronomical observatories, a rare stone link to science in the Silla capital. 9. 7 mountain monasteries form one UNESCO site. Founded from the 7th to 9th centuries, these active Buddhist centers use courtyards for worship, teaching, and daily life. 8. Kimjang is the communal late autumn preparation and sharing of large kimchi batches for winter, passing family knowledge between generations. 7. Namhan Sanseong was Joseon's emergency capital, where the court could retreat and govern in war. About 12 kilometers of walls and outworks used steep mountain terrain for defense. Inside were an emergency royal palace, government and military buildings, with space for roughly 4,000 people. 6. Gochang, Hwasun and Ganghwa preserve hundreds of prehistoric dolmens in an exceptionally dense, varied group, revealing how builders quarried, moved, and raised huge stones. 5. Hangul's 5 basic consonants reflect tongue, lip, and throat positions. Adding strokes created further consonants. 4. Sinan County has more than 1,000 islands, mostly surrounded by shallow tidal flats. From orbit, the shallows form an intricate maze of islands and channels. 3. Bampo Bridge's fountain holds Guinness's bridge fountain record at 1,140 meters. Its 380 nozzles send 54 tons over the sides each minute. 2. This UNESCO property has 40 Joseon royal tombs at 18 locations, built over 5 centuries. Pungsu principles shape their landscapes for ancestral rituals. 1. Seoul removed an elevated motorway, restoring Cheonggyecheon as a public stream with pedestrian banks and public space through the city. What surprised you most? Like and subscribe for more oddly true facts.